Welcome back to Millets TV. In this video, we will understand what is insulin and its significance in our body functioning. Well, let's get into the subject. In our previous video, we understood the basic digestion process that takes place in our body and how the food is converted into glucose and gets into blood. The cells in our body needs this glucose for energy. However, sugar cannot get into most of your cells directly. A hormone released by pancreas called insulin is responsible for this job. This insulin carries glucose in the blood and signals the body cell to absorb this glucose. It works like a key to unlock the cell and allows glucose to enter the body cell. And then part of glucose is burnt along with oxygen, produces energy to the body cell to function. To understand this in a simpler way, think of insulin as a postal service and glucose as the mail or postcard. Insulin is responsible for delivering that glucose from bloodstream into muscle, liver and other body cells so that your body can use it for fuel. If we have excessive sugar in the blood than the body needs, insulin helps to store the sugar in your liver and releases it when your blood sugar level is low or whenever you need, such as in between meals or during physical activity. Also, as blood sugar levels rise, the pancreas tries to release more insulin. Therefore, insulin helps regulating blood sugar levels. But if the blood sugar levels stay elevated for longer periods of time, our body may not be able to produce more insulin or body cells may become resistant to the effects of insulin. So, we may develop hyperglycemia, which is called high blood sugar, which can cause long-term health complications. That is it. Hope you understood what is insulin and its importance. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you have any questions, please leave us a comment. We will get back to you. And more importantly, don't forget to subscribe and we will catch up with new video. Till then, bye-bye.